I'm making a lot of out-of-service trains. There we got that one. That one's coming. That one's coming. Just record a short ride. I'm gonna see how far my camera.
Please do your best to stay at least 2 meters or 6 feet away from other customers and CTC employees.
Or is this a small train? Or is this train really? Or is this short trains? I want to enter from that door. I want to enter from that door. That door. Enter that door.
Okay, slow down. First you gotta sit down. Sit down, watch your step.
Line 4 is on
Sit
duty.
down.
No, I can
First
stand.
you sit down.
Oh, sit close to you. Now I can record.
No, we don't go there. I told you the rules.
No, this is my camera.
No, we don't go there. I told you the rules.
No, different people they record outside.
they don't. No, they don't, Mama.
May I record outside?
No, you can't. Here.
How to put my face down?
No, just the phone.
I can't see outside.
No.
It's not good. Or the sit. Can I turn off my camera or not?
You can turn it off if you want and have a seat.
No, I think you have to lose our control. Yeah, just for 1 second. You have my camera. Just 1 second. 1 second.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Just 1 second.
Mom, you need to listen.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I'm gonna call you. I'm sorry to see you.